morning, everybody. So, a long time no talk. You guys know I already do my get ready with me's, but I did want to take this moment to talk to you guys because this is the last get ready with me for this semester. So, thank you guys for following me this semester and giving me lots of support and love over here on YouTube, and then those who follow me over on my Instagram and TikTok. Thank you guys once again. And cheers to one semester closer to a degree, besties. One semester closer. So now I will be returning for the spring semester, so don't you worry. You will be seeing more of me next semester with more get ready with me, study vlogs, and all like that. But over the course of the break, I will probably do some reviews, relax, maybe do a vlog. I'm not exactly sure, but there's quite a bit of content coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys want to know how I created this look, it's very, very natural, very, very pretty, very mindful and demure because this is my last exam. It is my most important exam as well. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, grab your brushes, and without further ado, let's get ready together. Bye! Mwah. Hello, everybody. So I'm back. So I just finished my last and final exam. Oh, what a relief. So now my break officially starts, which is so great. But yeah, so I'm going to say I did really good on the exam because we need to be positive. We need to put positive out there into the world. So I did really good on the exam and I passed the class. So that is perfect. It is so good. One semester done, and now we wait until the spring semester, but one semester closer to a degree. I want to thank you guys again for just being on this journey with me and just, yeah. Oh my god, I didn't even show you guys. I wore my lucky Crocs. I know that I passed because I wore my lucky Crocs today. Now, if you guys don't know, like my Crocs, I wear them every single semester on finals, and I usually wear them on like math finals. I don't know what it is, but every time I do, it is always good. So these are my like lucky Crocs. I will show you guys them in a second. But yeah, so I'm wearing my lucky Crocs. That means we passed and we passed the class. So really, really great and very, very exciting. But yeah, so I want to thank you guys for just being on this journey with me. And how about if you guys have finals, how did they go? I'm pretty sure you guys did really, really well and you passed your class. So love. So congrats to you. But yeah, so I'm so excited to now be on my break, a very well needed break. So stay tuned for some new content, maybe not a lot of content. I don't really know, but stay tuned either way. But yeah, but I will be back for the spring semester. Don't you worry. So I'm so excited to be on break. It is, I don't know, the relief. But you guys know if you guys are in school and you take your exams. Now I'm like overthinking, but I know that I don't need to. So yeah. Okay, everybody. So that's really it. I just wanted to come back and tell you guys my experience and tell you guys about my day and about my final. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this Get Ready With Me and little mini vlog. Not really vlog, really just an update. But yeah, so another semester of Get Ready With Me is now completed. So I'm so excited for next semester. So we will not be seeing each other, at least Get Ready With Me wise, until January. So that is so crazy. But January is literally going to be here so soon before we even realize. But yeah, so stay safe, pass your class, and remember that I love you. Okay? So, until January. Bye, everybody. Mwah.